body shamers be like, oh, your shape bad. Your shape body look good. Me love my shape bad, long breast self. Watch nice R's.
Life nice, then me coulda want go 6 feet. You crazy, no don't cut to the delivery.
Yeah, no meda rest.
No meda.
When you did unlimited OT at a call center, pay nice.
Sign a light.
I look good, no blood clot. I'm gonna pussy tight to squeeze me. You may call me nose around.
Jello Beats, holla at me.
What they do?
When he raised the pulse, she liked the way
I mean.
Chop that them a banging like damn broke back. Yeah, me love you, but miss with the coach.
I wanna be, I wanna eat, I wanna lick it up, I wanna fucking eat.
Sick and tired of bitches acting like they wanna know me. Probably ain't no phony, try to check me, it's a warning.
Let's go! Sorry for nobody.
They're not sorry for we are pussy club. Sorry for them for suck them mother.
I don't know which girl need for know because look I can know. You see majority time man them wanna see in the markets. Yeah man on the top care them. I know for them one here. I know for them one. Some of them are rent it, so I make no man trick you.
One Danny Mav and a me. You sick? No girl test.
So just in case, it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 for October, right?
I did tell us some more man miss. I did tell us some more look man miss. Did I come on here and tell anybody say, oh, my name is Shay and I'm looking for a relationship? Did I come here and tell anybody say me I look for a man miss?
Come on 1 minute with the cute little bitch. The looking at your eye looks so demonic. Tattooing on your back looks so devilish. Me why you fly from my broom like a witch. Bad girl, I must really suck off, make a clean. Your head better than in the deep sea.
Never tell a Jamaican don't move.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Babes, don't move. Honestly, don't move. Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
You're a gunman. I might not find out yet.
Not just a folk thing. Want it for last, me no want no fling. You got to be sure, you got to be certain. I can't afford to be out here hurting.
Your pussy side. And you fuck the young boy them, sir. You make
No, fuck nobody. Girl, put on the other property. Me swear to Joe. Me never fuck body from my bone. Body man a gone.
When over here watch me, go watch who a fuck on a man. I don't mean for watch who a fuck on a man. Don't watch me.
I want peace in my soul. So I'm in the argument with nobody.
Alright, so I get pregnant when I'm 19, I go to 20 years old. So basically I get pregnant when I'm 19. And then my birthday did have some months. So I get pregnant in July and my birthday in November.
So every day I had good to pussy clan and call me. So I saw the emergency, I have to come over. Watch it. If you ever cough, me spray me. That me I tell.
This is the part of the mix. We're supposed to just grab a chair and put it in the center. Why? If they sit on a trampoline and I read up the pussy like a magazine. You sweet like tangerine. Yeah, what you gonna do for me, girl? Sit down, buddy, cocky like a...
When you're combing his hair and him still a play FIFA.
You know something like this, stay, man?
I need to stop the ramping. I need to stop the plane. I need to stop the ramping.
Okay.
A girl named Jenny once said,
One man give me no trouble, I am not sting me like you.
Oh, white man, come go in there.
See that TV there? You can't turn.
You know what I call?
Turn TV. Who do me ginger beer? Nobody. Oh, me.
You know, we're not even shit in my body.
Me say a poor curtain me have.
No, you play, I can't give me. Anything you chat come out of my mouth, I get rough.
When I was 8 months old, Mike led that to my back.
What you want for Christmas? Oh, you want a lot. That's too much for me.
You don't know what you breed.
I'm trying to man them want me. They want me.
First time seeing a insect like this in Jamaica seems it drop out of a container off this ship.
I know my fault, so you're born ugly. Jealous of me looks, just you me look like a dolly. Me look like a dolly. Enough money spent on me body. Enough man a dead over me. If you want me a dolly, listen me. Dolly keep it cute, dolly attitude, dolly name now call pon every youth. No mix up, me no friendly some up. No man or girl can get me for you. So go away, can't roll with the rebel TC and pretty. It's a dolly link up a dolly Sunday. From your
hold up. Roll it on my wrist. Roll it on my bitch.
What?
30 on my waist.
What?
30 to your face.
Yeah.
60 to your face.
Yeah.
90 to your face.
Yeah.
That's a closed case.
Yeah.
You an old nigga.
And if you wonder if I hate you,
sir, pay if the guest house. If me I go pay for one room for me and a girl go have sex, now me and a go. The Ross Clark, me I go pay if the guest house without girl for. And me where me I go? Me I eat, yeah? Me a no fuck.
I go sit down and wait for this man.
No.
Them need to stop it, man. Me not entertain them, me not I laugh and I chat up to them. Then see me I laugh and I talk up to them. Me don't want them like bang, 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 bang.
Go on blood clot there. What the pussy clot you call me for? Did I say I want to go on your favorite Roger Clark?
Jump off in the blood clot, boy. You feel a controller.
Y'all come and make we talk about this. Oh, you suck a cup in a cheap panty. Say you have a man and him not tell about this. Buy a couple jars and a couple roasties. This a girl and a sick kissing half syphilis. Smooth ship sailing in the Pacific. 12 furlong, but you suck on this.
The truth is, some people don't know how to love you properly. They never had an example of what love looks like. A healthy home that demonstrated what it means to appreciate someone as valuable as you are. So don't get upset with them. They're truly doing their best, but it is your job to decide whether or not you're going to stay.
We're done. Watch way. Out to sea. Early morning. I saw you on that though.
Lazy body, no one lazy body. Y'all rolling up like a crazy alley. Y'all do the car, Jackie, the road and alley. Watch out that girl, they are one for. Money fill up your girlfriend to ya, but you're not getting this love where you want. Only for things you want.
Tell no lie. A whole heap of girl hate me, a whole heap of boy hate me, but me not lie. You realize all of the girls that hate me? Them short or something, God never make them good. Cutie, all when me ear ugly, and I do, me still.
Good pussy gal song.
Girl, me will fuck with your man and then beat you. If me need to, me do it neat to. Your man up in on my flower like Weeble. Pussy tight and lick like noodle. Head game up cause me season. Second cocky last week him say.
Me nah look for you, you know. Me nah really look for you. Me nah meet you right now.
Somehow on the pan. My man and my best friend, my man and my best friend. Your man can be your best friend, but your friend them business between you and your friend, not you, your friend and your man. No man can run about my friend, you sick? Watching a man more, everybody check in. February the 13th, pre-Valentine's combo to Bumbo. You see me? We're gonna have the rose, them a give a don't know so the next day our Valentine's Day. So remember, you know, February the 13th, people you don't know say place to be. Ochi. You see me? More everybody check in by 2 o'clock, people. You see me? Because most of my crowd them live at town. So guess what? We have to just kick off the big ball game so everybody can reach back home safe to them family and to them friend. You see me? You don't know say one combo boss, no carbon copy combo boss. We are talking about original combo boss, people. Remember say me.
Not me walking as if I'm early for my exam, when in fact it's after 12 and exam starts like 9, right? And me have to stop and get food. I'm done late, you know. But it is what it is. Material girl things. Before I go to class, my day I eat. Well, exam can't wait. I'm hungry. Sure, must say, oh, that boy call me all along and I'm not yet. I pity him not know somebody right in front of the class right now I eat. Oh wow.
Money run top speed, so me like flash. What's that? Stop going like you don't notice. You notice, girl, where your wife give me brain every time. I feel like some need motives. Watch for my wrist, cool is rich.
Imagine you put up a status feed, burn me. And me didn't even view it. Me didn't even peep. Go ahead. Smell like fall cube.
You got the curves in the waist. Pretty face, you're mad them for days. Be a face, dry eyes, just stay. Ring my bird in the time I play. Yo, dog, me I tell a girl slim and she fat. But she bad, my friend, not she hot. She look like money run top speed, so me like flash. What's that? Stop going like you don't notice. You notice, girl, where your wife give me brain every time. I feel like some need motives. Watch for my
that. Oh my God, my love is here, my husband.
Which part is today? Dead end. Where? I'll be here. Then, and in England, me there.
You overweight, stink fucking lab-ass rat. You big greasy kobo. You want to curse me, you big stink fucking oil bird? All your big belly.
You know what I do for live my lifestyle? I suck a lot of dick. You know what? You want to know the next thing again? I said a lot of pussy. You want to know the other thing again? Bad shit just to live this.
Yo, if I'm outside and I see a girl who I know and she there with a man, I keep the ear light and smooth. But some boy see you out with a girl and them want come run, come hug up and bust big kiss pan jai. Boy, move. Time and place.
Novelas TV vous propose chaque jour le corps du désir.
Regresas al final sin importar el tiempo.
So if anybody me and my war no gang me, 1 o'clock on this, 1 o'clock when I get the page in.
I don't want my own man. I want your man. Yeah, I want your man who are going to be our man. Yeah, him I want.
The zinc burned my R's.
Money run top speed, so me like flash. What's that? Stop going like you don't notice. You notice, girl, where your wife give me brain every time. I feel like some need motives. Watch for my wrist, cool is rich.
Can't take you, cause you're crosses. Right now you're gonna piss me off.
Wagwan, don't know, my Jenna, call. Yeah, man, when you call to them, man, you can't go like you're a batty boy, you're mad. Can't go like you're a batty boy when you call to them, man. When you call to them, man, you have to go like you're a Jenna. Yeah.
So, ain't nobody wait for Ruler and him not come back.
Ruler is coming back.
Him not come back.
I said Ruler is coming back.
You think him gonna left good friend come back down here, so? In the ghetto, where we bridge light, where bridge water, where bridge cable.
So what you think I should do?
Go bridge a man.
OMG. Happened at the beach today. Follow for part 2. Viewer discretion is advised.